After an off-road accident in which someone's seriously injured, there really has to be a focus on a number of different areas. The first thing someone needs to think about is, and this is obvious in terms of all the different areas, what actually happened. How did the accident happen? And really go through the mechanics of what happened and whether or not the terrain that the person was riding on at the time might have contributed to the accident. Maybe something on the actual ATV caused or contributed to the accident. Sometimes there's things that the landowner does that causes or contributes to the accident. So there has to be a very good initial investigation as to the root causes of the accident. Having said that, there are a number of different avenues that need to be explored. For example, in terms of the landowner, there have been cases where people put up wires across roadways to keep people from trespassing or to keep people out without having it marked no trespassing. And there have been cases where individuals have been riding ATVs, motorcycles, and those type of vehicles and actually been clotheslined, if you will, because those wires are not visible to the eye. So there could be problems caused by the landowner contributing or causing the accident. There could be problems with the bike itself, the ATV vehicle itself. There could be mechanical problems. And then there are issues of whose ATV was it? Did they know about these problems? Should they have known about these problems? Was the vehicle recently repaired? Were the repairs done properly? So there may be problems with both the owner of the ATV, those people that have recently repaired the ATV. There may be problems with the ATV as it was built and came from the manufacturer, what we call product liability claim. So there are a number of different areas that need to be explored when we see off-road ATV type accidents, and to include the landowner, to include the bike itself in terms of whether it was repaired, whether the owner of it knew of the defect or should have known of the defect, whether there was a defect that came from the manufacturer. So there are a number of different areas, and if you have someone significantly injured in an ATV accident, you need to get to an attorney who's well-versed in all aspects, to include the product liability aspects that might be involved in an ATV accident and significant injury.